Hey guys, welcome back to Life With Us 4. We're just going for a little walk down to the bridge close to our house. We're on the hunt for some snails because it just rained all night. The kids love playing with snails and we decided to bring you guys along for the walk. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and give us a big thumbs up. This is one of our most favorite places to come for a walk. There's a nice little ravine here. The kids can ride their bikes all the way down to the end of the bridge. Like a beaver has built his dam that wasn't there earlier this summer. Have you guys found any snails yet?
No.
But you found
a crushed one.
You found a crushed one?
Yeah.
Okay, let me know if you find any.
What are you guys digging for?
Treasure.
Treasure?
I feel something.
How you feeling, Monica, after Halloween? Cold weather has set in. You look warm. Hey guys, looks like we're gonna have to run home because it started raining on us and it's getting pretty windy. We better go, guys. Ah! Run, run, run! Ah! Ah! Thanks for watching our video. Please like, share, and comment below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that post notification bell. See you again next week with more videos.